Hbar at the time of this recording is breaking out to the upside after we continued to hold above a key area of support above the 0.15325. And on today's update video, I will be discussing a potential breakout scenario and above all discuss my long-term perspective of the chart, giving you reasons why we can easily get to new all-time highs in the next coming weeks. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, where I still maintain that from the lows we made back in 2024 in November, we peaked impulsively in the formation of this wave 1, giving us a high above the 0.4 mark. And after we peaked in the formation of this wave 1, we started a pullback to the lower side in a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, whose minimum target areas that I have marked on the charts using this red target area between the 0.12 and the 0.2218, we have now fully maximized, and there are now high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, and a bounce is now imminent in the formation of this wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave, and the minimum target area for this wave 3 lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.7 mark as our minimum target area. And if that target area is hit, then Hbar will be able to put in place a new all-time high. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of this wave 5, possibly taking us above the 1 USDT mark. So that is my long-term perspective of the chart and the reason as to why I believe a new all-time high is now imminent. Jumping to the 1-hour chart, here on the 1-hour chart, from the lows we made on the 7th of April, we have only picked in corrective structures, where we first saw this ABC corrective structure having this as the wave A, a pullback in the formation of this wave B, and finally picked in the formation of this wave C. So much of a consolidation over here within this price channel that gave us a breakout to the lower side, and that breakdown move to the lower side continued to hold within Fibonacci key areas of support between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, an area that is now giving us a reaction to the upside. And since the initial move from the lows we made on the 7th of April was an ABC corrective structure, we also need to expect a similar case scenario over here, where we can get another leg to the upside in an ABC corrective structure. And there could be high chances that we have now put in place a high in the formation of this wave A, so a pullback in the formation of this wave B over the weekend, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows down here to the high of this wave A, you can see that we saw a retracement into the area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, an area that is giving us a bit of a reaction to the upside in what could be the start of the formation of this wave C. And in the formation of the wave C, there is a very high chance that we can see a 5 wave structure. So on the lower time frames, we can now start tracking a 5 wave structure. And at the moment, I can only spot a wave 1, then a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, and a wave 3 could be unfolding. And the minimum target areas for the wave 3 can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave. So there's a very high chance that we can easily get to the fib level 1.618 in the next coming hours above the 0.178 as our minimum target area, have a high in place in the formation of this wave 3, expect a pullback, and then expect one final bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, fully maximizing the formation of this wave C to the upper side. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Hbar to follow on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.